The legend of the last Berserker. The Berserkers are described in many Viking sagas for their extreme ruthlessness in combat. These were some seriously devoted warriors, following Odin himself into battle, hoping to win a spot in Valhalla and score the best seats at the Hall of the Fallen. They fought half-naked or wrapped in wolf or bear skins, ready to unleash their fury on anyone who dared to cross them. Before battles, these berserkers would eat hallucinogenic mushrooms and start foaming out of their mouths and shouting like wild animals to terrorize their enemies. They were so intense that even their fellow Vikings would get nervous around them, because when they were in that trance-like state, they could hardly tell friend from foe. The berserkers usually didn't play well with others, as they'd charge into battle by themselves or wait until things were looking grim to unleash their fury. Then, there's the tale known as the Last Berserker. No one ever knew his name or who he was, but his story was told by his Saxon enemies. In the battle that marked the end of the Viking era, the Battle of Stamford Bridge, Harald Hardrada, aka the Last Viking, and his troops crossed the bridge over the Derwent River to regroup and counterattack. They sent out the last berserker to guard the bridge and hold the line, and he was an absolute beast. According to some Anglo-Saxon chronicles, the berserker stood there, over 2 meters tall, bare-chested and wielding a massive axe, holding back the Saxon troops for a whole hour. It took a team of soldiers to finally bring him down, throwing spears from the river below the bridge. But before he fell, he managed to take out 40 of his enemies. This guy was the ultimate Viking warrior, and his legend truly lives on.